let's pause. Can you see the birds? Oh, I can hear them already. Oh, there they go. Now these are Sancornians, and they can be found in the forest of South America. Would you like to join your friends up there? Okay, Mitra is going to try to call these Sancornian up there. Okay, I need her to read. But not only that, Amigo is also very smart. He can count from 1 to 10 first in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, perfect 10! Good job, Amigo. Well done. This time, he's going to count for us in Chinese.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
He is very good in Chinese. And not only that, Amigo can sing as well. And he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. The first song is a local Mandarin song called Current Line, which means a guest comes to visit. Now, Amigo, can you sing in Mandarin?
可人来看爸爸，爸爸不在家，我的客人来到家，来的是谁呀？
There you go! Current Line, word for word. Now, the second song originated from Indonesia. It's called Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. This time, Amigo, can you sing Rasa Sayang?
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, lihat sudah tahu, sayang, sayang.
Hey! What a Jeremy song! Now, the last song is in English, but before we sing, is anyone celebrating a birthday today? Raise your hands if it's a birthday. Let's start from the first section. Nobody? How about the middle birthday? Well, okay, 1, 2.